Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to fix your Facebook lock profile not showing. And this is an error that can be easily fixed. So the first thing you want to do is jump into your Play Store and type in Facebook and make sure that your app is updated. If your lock profile is still not showing, we're going to go over to your profile on the top right hand side. And here we are going to look for the help and support tab, and we're going to look for report a problem. Now, once you're in here, you can see that you have a few options, and what we're going to do is just tap on continue to report a problem. Now, once we get into the next page, you will see that you have the option to include or not include your logs and diagnostics. So we're going to tap on include, and here we're going to go down and we're going to look for our profile option. So it's right over here if you just scroll down, and this just makes it easier for this ticket or this report to go to the correct area in the support office. So you see over here it says describe your issue. So over here you're going to describe your issue, and you're going to put something like, my lock profile is not showing. I would like some assistance with getting it to display. Many thanks, regards, right? And you can see there's an attachment of the actual screenshot over here. And you can also then upload a screenshot or any other media from your device. If you would like to where your lock icon should be to lock your profile, you can actually screenshot it just to show the support team member that it is actually not displaying. You're going to go ahead now, the top right hand side, you'll see a little send button. You're going to tap on that, and then you will have to wait maybe 3 days, maybe a little bit more. Maybe you're lucky, maybe it's less, and you will have some assistance from the support team. If this was helpful, drop us that thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Cheers.